it's the second day and we are exploring Luxembourg right now. We are in the local train and I swear the public transport is too good over here. Like, I'll show you the view. This place is so green, like it's unbelievable. Every part of Europe is so green, and this is us sitting in the train going to the main station. So let's see you there. Guys, now we got off from our train and now we are in the Luxembourg city, guys. It's so beautiful. Like, just look at the view. Right now we're near the train station, the main train station, and the one very great thing about here is that the transport is free. Like, you can see that multiplicity bus that's going from there, and another tram is coming from the other side, guys. Like, literally the services of public transport is on next level. I wish India had this, guys. Then India would have been so great. So right now, guys, we're just exploring to the main city. We're just walking our way towards the main attractions, and you can just see the McDonald's is right out there, but we can't eat there because I don't think so vegan or vegetarian food is available over there. And guys, for the first time I have used zebra crossing, because in India it's just like white lines painted on the road, but for the first time I've seen its use, its importance in Luxembourg, and it holds a great importance for pedestrians at least. I should definitely say this, that if you're traveling to Europe and have a little free time, then you should definitely come to Luxembourg, because it is an underrated place which is absolutely beautiful. I explored it for like 4 or 5 days and I am really in love with this city now. And also we found a little vegan restaurant there, Nirvana Cafe, which I literally searched on ChatGPT. So over here, I am literally feeling on the top of the world, because traveling to Europe was itself a dream, guys. And it's all because of my aunt, my Mossy. She insisted us a lot. And right now, we are in Europe's longest, or I should say biggest balcony. So it's basically a human carved structure which has a lot of greenery, playgrounds inside, and it is so beautiful. Like, you can see it's so green. I am like, how can a place be so green? And let's not forget the fact that this is man-made, and this is a little bridge out there, and we are just walking over here, and there are some churches out there, and over here fireworks also take place in Luxembourg that you are gonna see in the next vlogs. One fact to notice, the roads aren't bumpy over here, and on the far left corner you can see buildings huge buildings that are of Amazon and other companies, and you can see little hills, beautiful homes. So this is a perfect mix of urban life and nature. So guys, अब हम आ चुके हैं इतने beautiful से view में. Like, you can see how beautiful it is, and a little stream of river that's flowing from between the cute little houses that we see only in movies actually. And I am in completely love with this place. How do you expect greenery, so beautiful homes, and a little street flowing between them? That's so beautiful. So guys, right now we are at the main city square, and this is giving me antique European vibes. Like, this is so good. You know, those buildings, their architecture is so nice, and they have a lot of sitting arrangements, trees, cafes, and over here on their national day people gather around here as a community, and that is so nice. And one more fun fact about this country is that 50% of this population is not born here. And guys, right now we are traveling in this colorful trams, orange, blue, purple colors. Like, I was astonished when I saw these colors. They're so vibrant, so beautiful. Although it's a little crowded in here, but it's fine. It's bearable, at least for Indians. And right now we are in this beautiful mall with this little green things on top of which parrots are sitting, and it is so beautiful. And right now we're in Starbucks drinking a coffee, and here is my brother doing his naughtiness as usual. Like, he is so naughty, I can't say also. And this pink giraffe was the cutest thing I would want to see over here in a mall. So after spending some time in the mall, drinking coffee, exploring, we came to the public park over here. Although, honestly speaking, this does not look like a public park, but still it is so beautiful, because where do you see so huge green trees, and it's just so beautiful. It's a mesmerizing view, like giving pure great vibes, guys. And over here, this is this clock on flowers with the dials and the numbers plates over there. And this is a very unique concept I noticed in Europe. एंड गाइस इधर इतने प्यारे प्यारे फूल है बट हम इन्हें तोड़ नहीं सकते बिकॉज हर चीज़ में यूरोप का फाइन होता है फूल तोड़ने का भी. एंड राइट नाउ दिस इज मी गाइस ड्राइविंग विद माई फैमिली इन दिस ब्यूटिफुल प्लेस. एंड राइट नाउ वी आर इन यूरोप्स biggest human made balcony. Like see the trees, like it's perfect mix of nature and the modernness. Like you see there's a bridge over there. Like I've only seen such type of bridges, beautifulness, greenness in movies, never in my real life, but I didn't know it even existed. It was the first day in Europe and walking so much was very tiring for our legs, but we visited this beautiful golden lady statue and it was very beautiful. And right now we are just strolling over here, just strolling, and now we will sit somewhere because we were very tired. So we sat down over here to eat a softie, and it was like a small carnival, you know, this cute toy trains over here. It's so cute, guys. Like look at that toy train. It's like candy palace on wheels. And now guys we are eating softie. We are going to the softie stall. Like you can see that big softie over there. We are gonna eat that. Like not that big but it's miniature version of it. But guys it's so fun in Europe. You know the weather is too great over there. You can see the trash bins over there everywhere and everywhere is so clean. Like how do you expect a place to be so clean, guys? I was completely shocked as per being an Indian. And so guys finally our day was at an end. We were very tired and now we're at the train station, the central train station, on the way back to our Mossy's home. So hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please like and subscribe to my channel and wait for some new vlogs. Bye.